Good afternoon everyone, we are from Government Degree College, Gamropet, Department of Commerce, BCom. Our Jignasa project is Impact of Supermarket on Small Retailers. This is our Jignasa team. My name is N. Bharat, BCom second year. Introduction is the modern organization retailers are growing in the rapid pace of India, but 96% of Indian retailers stayed organized in a situation of impact of the retail bomb. The small retailers are studied the research present of the change in the phase of retails taking place in Rajana Sirsila. Also, these studies also knowing the impact of supermarket on the sales and profit value of small retailers. Another studies also know the impact of supermarket on the employment opportunities is organized industry. Moreover, the opinion is the small retailers is also sought to identify the reason of the growing the supermarkets in the supermarket study area. This is controlled by the Pravalika.
Thank you, Bharat. Objectives. Here we take a presented by the supermarket and small retailers. Large quality of supermarket to bring down small business. To analyze the extent of consumer preference for supermarkets. To determine which region dominate the supermarkets. To determine what other services can be added in small retail to overcome competition with supermarket. Continued by Arvind.
Thank you, Pravalika. Meteorology, Rajana Sirsila Municipal Corporation have taken up the study of the identify the impact of organized retail malls, supermarkets and unorganized small retailers. Rajana Sirsila Jilla Municipal Corporation is an upcoming and fastest growing place in Telangana. Conveyance sampling method has been adapted and 20 unorganized small retail concerns of various formats of selector of the study. Retail with floor space on then 200 square feet and located with the distance of 10 kilometers from supermarkets alone are taken for study. Continued as Shreya.
The present study indicates the supermarket integrated and advanced impact on organization, retail overlays of various formats in the Indian suburb area. Moreover, due to the growth of supermarkets, there is a lot of employment in the small retail ventures. Opinion of retails also identify the main reasons for the growth of supermarkets.
Thank you, Shreya. This is our Jignasa project. Thank you to the Commerce Department of our team and also thank you.